tip I want to share with you concerning all these plugs all over the engine. They all have the same type of locking mechanism. If you're not sure how it works, then you can get really frustrated. I'm going to plug this one in. Maybe you've seen online someone getting in there and lifting up this white tab. Okay, I'm lifting up the white tab. Now I'm going to just grab the plug, and you're going, what? I thought the guy on YouTube showed me that all I have to do is just snap that white piece up and this should come off. No, you have to take your thumb and you have to push this towards the center and then you lift it up. So watch what's going on in here. See that little catch? And when you push on the top, see what's happening? Right there, it's releasing it so you can pull it off. It's not just pulling up the white tab and yanking on it. You have to pull up on the white tag and squeeze it like that to get the plug out.